Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is how to change the OEM wiper blade inserts on a Lexus GS, and this may work on other Lexus and Toyota vehicles as well too. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Okay, and let's get started here. So quick look on my beautiful 2020 Lexus GS 350 F Sport. And I'm going to change the wiper blade inserts. So what are those, right? Is it hard to do? No, it's not. Actually, you could do it under 15 minutes for both, even faster than that. But, just be careful you do it so you don't mess it up or damage the windshield or anything like that, right? So I'm going to do the passenger side first over here and then do the right driver's side, but it's the same idea. So I'm just going to show you the passenger side one because that's the closest to me and closest to the light as well too. Okay, so on the Lexus GS, these are the part number. I'll put in the description below. Of course, your vehicle is not a GS. The part number would be different. Check with your dealership or parts department in your dealership to find out what's the part number. So they come in pairs. So to just replace the left one or the right one, you want to replace both at the same time. I purchased mine from Bell Lexus, of course. And for this case, and this is an easy install DIY. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So, and hopefully it saves you some money at the same time and saves you some time. All right, so we have two of them. The large one is the driver's side, and the passenger side one. Always measure before you start changing things around, so you don't want to find out that you to put it back because it's not right. So to remove it, just lift this tab over here and slide the wiper blade out. So just like that, it'll come out. Be careful of the arm so you don't damage the windshield. So next thing you do is need to slide it out. So only slides out one way. In this case, it's right over here. Yes, I refilmed this already because the other one didn't come out. So the video didn't come out. So I'm just going to redo this part over here and show you. But basically what you do is you pull it out on one side, and there's two metal strips, right? I can show you over here. Let me see, easier on this side. So you want to recycle these. You don't want to throw these away. And there's another one on the other side. So that gives the wiper inserts strength. Otherwise, it'd be flexing like this little piece of rubber or something. It doesn't really hold any form or shape. So what you need to do is align this. There's like a little insert on the bottom of this rubber insert that you put the metal strip in. So just like that. Notice that at the end point over here, there's a little tab, that it's like a notch, all right? So you want to align that, okay? And you want to do it for the other side as well too. So they only go in one way. You can't really make a mistake on this in my opinion. So align that and you just need to change it. And it's simple to change, just like that, right? There's that notch over there, over here. Okay, now once you get that all working, you want to slide it back in the blade, right? Notice that the orientation, it's going to go in like this over here. Then you push it that way and pull, right? I'll show you that as well. All right, so got everything in. Notice that the notch and everything is all in. Okay, sorry folks. Some people like to go faster on this, but this is, people that have never done it before want to see this in entirety at a slower speed. So you want to slide it through. Notice it's on the bottom rail. Okay, it must be on the bottom rail. You don't want to be on the middle or anything else. All right, just slide it all the way through. There we go. All the way through. And by the way, these insert the initial one actually lasted all 3 years. Amazing, right? So I'm just replacing these. They're getting worn after 3.5 years or so. Just like that. Remember, this one doesn't have a notch. This end point over here has the notch. So that's going to lock it in. Push it there. All right. So You can wiggle it if you like, but it's gonna hold. So I've done this already. And be careful about the arm, the wiper arm, so you don't damage your windshield. Make sure it goes straight in all the way through. Lock it, then you pull towards you, right? Push that way, then pull towards you, then you lock it. I'm gonna do that again one more time, just in case people want to find out how to do it correctly. Just like that. And that's how you replace it. And that's fast, all right? So that's pretty simple to do. I think the hardest thing is to go buy the wiper insert. So on this one, the driver's side is the same thing to remove. You know, I'm not going to demonstrate how to change the inserts, but basically it's the same thing. So by opening it, you just open this other direction, right, on the driver's side. Then you slide it out. Just be gentle with it. Okay. You know, you don't want to damage the windshield with the arm. And once you remove the wiper blades, then you can slide the insert out. When you put it back in, it's the same idea like the other one, but you know, it's the opposite direction. Basically, that's what it is. And this one's pretty dirty, I know. So, you know, wearing gloves actually to remove it maybe, but to insert it is easier to use. You know, you get your hands dirty, just clean it. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you save some money, please help me with a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.